Let's explore the asterisk quantifier in regular expressions. It's a powerful tool for pattern matching. This slide introduces the asterisk quantifier, which is used to match 0 or more occurrences of a specific pattern. So, what exactly is the asterisk quantifier? The asterisk symbol matches 0 or more occurrences of the preceding character or pattern. Here's an example: pattern asterisk. Keep in mind that it could match 0 occurrences. We will see this in an example. Now let's look at the basic syntax and usage of the asterisk. First, character matching. A followed by an asterisk matches 0 or more occurrences of the letter A. Second, group matching. Open parenthesis ABC close parenthesis followed by an asterisk matches 0 or more occurrences of the group ABC. Let's see an example of how an asterisk works with 0 occurrences. Consider the pattern. Call $? asterisk. The input color will match this pattern because the U is optional due to the question mark, and the asterisk allows for 0 occurrences of R after the U. Similarly, the input color will also match. In both cases, the pattern will consider these valid matches. Because question mark makes U optional, so it can be present or absent. Asterisk makes R optional, so it can be present or absent. Now let's explore cases with multiple occurrences using the asterisk. Consider the pattern ho asterisk me. The input HM will match because the asterisk allows for 0 occurrences of O. The input home will also match because the asterisk allows for multiple occurrences of O. Therefore, both cases are considered valid matches. Let's see how to implement this in Python. First, import the re module. Define the pattern as raw string *b. The text is ob. Use re.search function to find the pattern in the text. If a match is found, print found followed by the matched group. Otherwise, print no match. Here are a couple of common use cases for the asterisk quantifier. First, optional characters. https:// matches both HTTP and HTTPS protocols. Second, whitespace matching. \s* matches 0 or more whitespace characters. So, it will match even there is no space. Here are the key takeaways from this discussion. The asterisk matches 0 or more occurrences. It is greedy by default, which means it matches as many as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.